It's a new week and silver price continues to soar higher. Things are about to get interesting. One dealer is completely sold out of American Silver Eagles, and they're saying silver could become unobtainium this month. The borrowing fee to short the most popular silver ETF just exploded, and I'm going to explain what this means. It could be huge. Let's get into it. Buy your gold and silver online from SD Bullion. New customers get gold or silver at spot by visiting sdbullion.com/new. Thank you so much for watching. I do sincerely appreciate it. Silver is soaring higher right now. It is sitting at $48.79. It's up 68 cents at the moment, 1.42%, but silver is now less than $1 away from a new all-time high. Gold did hit a new all-time high today. It's nearing $4,000 an ounce, sitting at $3,966, up $72 today, 1.87%. So gold is moving up faster than silver. This is wild. Now, I will say we're seeing some volatility on the one-day chart for silver. Overnight, it went up to 48.74, and then this morning when the U.S. markets opened, it dipped all the way down to 48.19, but it has recovered since then. So I think we are on a roller coaster ride, but the only place to go from here is up. I was surprised to see this post on X today. Silver monster boxes all sold out on Monument Metals here in the States. This is not a drill. Silver is on its way to unobtainium this month. So all the 2025 American Silver Eagles sold out from this US-based online dealer, but a lot of the other dealers still do have Silver Eagles in stock. SD Bullion, for example, still has the 2025 Silver Eagles if you want them, although I would be stacking other things right now. And look at the low quantity pricing here for Checkwire, $56.76. Now, I can remember about 6 years ago buying Silver Eagles for $17 a piece out the door. My goodness. But if I wanted to get some silver today, I would probably shop the deals, and SD Bullion does have one on junk silver. You can literally get it at spot, so why pay any premium at all? Here's an article that came out yesterday. Silver becomes Pakistan's new investment obsession. Here's why, and they actually say silver is now being purchased in 10 tola bars and even 1 kilo bricks. If you don't know what a 10 tola bar is, they're actually about 3.75 troy ounces. It is an ancient way of measuring silver's weight, but they're buying it up now in Pakistan. The first thing they say in the article is that over the last 3 months, the price and consumption of silver have more than doubled, transforming it into the new favorite among investors. According to traders, silver is now even being sold in the black market, with a surge in buyers rushing to get their hands on the metal amid rapidly climbing prices. But the most important thing that they say is actually here at the end. Is investing in silver a wise move? Experts and goldsmiths caution that while silver prices are rising sharply, it remains a long-term investment that requires patience and market stability. Silver's demand in technology and manufacturing is increasing, but it's not a get-rich-quick investment, said one trader. It rewards those who hold it for the long run. And I think there's a lot of people who are new, who are buying silver right now. They're seeing the price go up, and they're thinking, wow, I can get in, make a bunch of money, and get out. That's not typically how it works with silver. You want to hold it for a very long period of time. So I think when it comes to buying precious metals, you certainly need to have a long-term mentality. I mean, look at this chart here. Gold and silver percentage growth since January 1970. I know these numbers are a little bit dated because they put this chart together last week, but still, gold almost an 11,000% growth. Most of it, however, in the last 5 years. Silver, 2,400 percentage growth. So I think when you see stuff like this, you need to realize, yes, it is okay to buy it when the price is going up. It is okay to take profits if you can, but it is a long-term play. And look at how much silver has to go to catch up to gold. I mean, my goodness, silver needs to quadruple in price to even get close to the same percentage growth as gold over the last 55 years. It looks like silver might finally be breaking free from the chains that once held it down. According to this Scottsdale Mint article, silver is entering a new price reality, and $100 or $200 is the real question now. They say that if gold hits $4,000 per ounce, silver is likely going to go above 52, which would obviously be a new all-time high, and gold is very close to $4,000 an ounce right now. Now, what's the deal with this borrowing fee exploding to short SLV? What does that mean? So this post on X was put out by Bob Coleman today, and he says, silver ETF alert. If dealers or authorized participants want to draw down shares in SLV and redeem silver in a rising market, there's a hidden price to pay. The borrowing fee to short SLV shares just exploded higher, almost tripling from last week. And get this, less than 10,000 shares available to short. Expect volatility to rise in the options markets. And here's all of the data to show what he's talking about. And here is that spike in the SLV borrowing fee. You could see it going up to almost 7%. This is pretty wild, but what does this mean? Is this going to drive the price of silver higher or lower? Well, I asked Grok, and they say it's going to cause reduced short selling pressure. So essentially, it's going to remove downward pressure on prices, which is very bullish for precious metals. It could cause a potential short squeeze. And finally, it could lead to a 5 to 8% price rally in the following week. So silver could be on the brink of not only breaking a new all-time high, but exploding higher from there. Last night, I put out a poll on my YouTube channel asking all of you, will silver hit a new all-time high this week? And the results speak for themselves. 81% of you think that yes, silver is going to hit a new all-time high. I certainly think that is very possible. I mean, we're only $1 away from it right now. And look at the number one comment here. I hope not. I want to keep buying in. It certainly is a double-edged sword for those of us who want to acquire more silver. Yes, it is great that the price is going up, but unfortunately, if you want to add more silver to your stack, it's going to cost more as well. I'll be honest, I don't know where silver is going to go from here, but when I look at the silver price year-to-date chart and I see that silver is up $20 this year, I don't know what's going to be able to stop it. I don't know what's going to be able to slow it down. So I think we're probably going to hit a new all-time high in the next couple of days. I know there's going to be some resistance. I know there's going to be some volatility, but I think silver can do it. But we'll have to wait and see. Of course, I will post an updated video if silver does go to a new all-time high. And I'm curious, where do you think it's going to go from there? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Silver Dragons out.